How to use ChatGPT for staff software engineer. To use ChatGPT for staff software engineer, you can follow these steps. 1. Choose a specific prompt or question related to the field of software engineering. For example, you could ask what is the difference between agile and waterfall software development methodologies, or what are the best practices for debugging complex software systems. 2. Open a dialog with ChatGPT by providing the prompt or question as the initial message. For example, you could say, "Hi ChatGPT, can you tell me about the difference between agile and waterfall software development methodologies?" 3. ChatGPT will generate a response based on the prompt and provide an answer. The response may include a detailed explanation, examples, or other relevant information. 4. If necessary, you can ask follow-up questions to ChatGPT to clarify or expand upon its response. For example, you could say, "Can you give me an example of a situation where using an agile methodology would be more appropriate than using a waterfall methodology?" 5. Continue the dialogue with ChatGPT until you have received the information you need. It's important to note that while ChatGPT can provide helpful information, it's always a good idea to consult with a qualified professional in the software engineering field for more detailed or specific information. You may also want to consult reliable sources such as technical articles, books, or industry publications for more information on specific software engineering topics. Here are some resources that you can consult for more information on the topic of software engineering. IEEE Computer Society. The IEEE Computer Society is a professional organization for computer engineers and provides a wide range of resources related to software engineering. Their website is https://www.computer.org. ACM, the Association for Computing Machinery, ACM, is a professional organization for computer scientists and provides resources related to software engineering, including conferences, journals, and articles. Their website is https://www.acm.org. Agile Alliance. The Agile Alliance is a non-profit organization that promotes agile software development methodologies and provides resources related to agile development. Their website is https://www.agilealliance.org. Martin Fowler's website. Martin Fowler is a well-known software engineer and author who has written extensively on software development methodologies, including agile and waterfall. His website, https://martinfowler.com, contains numerous articles and resources related to software engineering. Stack Overflow. Stack Overflow is a popular Q&A website for programmers, and can be a valuable resource for software engineers looking to learn more about specific coding topics or best practices. Their website is https://stackoverflow.com. These resources should be able to provide you with more reliable and detailed information on the topic of software engineering.